Hey folks, you guys have a low profile car that you pull on a dolly, and of course heavy rains yesterday. Does not want to come off the dolly. It just keeps spinning into its wheels. Look at that. Made it nice and shiny. Can't get it up over this hump. So you know what I did? Block of wood, 2x4s. What I did was I took a little scissor jack, take it right here, right when the car is up there. I took a scissor jack, I put it right here. I put it onto the lip of the frame. I jacked it up. Then I put 2x4 under the tire. So now it's almost leveled with it. It's probably just a little bit smaller. Found one scrap here, another scrap over there, and I actually manually just pushed the car off the lift. Rolled it back. Make sure I had another piece of wood back there to hold it. Otherwise it was going to go right into the street. But yeah, that's how you get it off, because there was no other way to get it. It was just kept spinning the wheels. Couldn't go over this little hump. So made up for the gap, made it just about even. All right, and it rolled right off. I actually pushed it with my hands by myself. All right, thanks for watching. Ciao.